God. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, most merciful, most compassionate. Amantu, I believe. Billahi, in God. Wa malaikatihi, in the angels. Wa kutubihi, in the books. Wa rusulihi, in the messengers. Wal yawmil akhiri, in the hereafters. Wa bil khayri wa bil qadri wa khayrihi wa sharrihi min Allah ta'ala, and in the destiny of Allah and in the hereafter. Ashhadu, I testify. And la ilaha, illallah. Wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. I testify that there is only one God, worthy of worship. And I testify, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his messenger and his servant. So congratulations for these beautiful decisions.
Allahu Akbar. Takbir. Allahu Akbar.
We feel like a great pleasure. Arab just
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم.
So the meaning of this verse is that say that Allah is one and unique. He doesn't need to anything, but everything needs to Him, and nor He gives birth or He has a father, and there is nothing like Him. So He is incomparable of anything. So after you took this decision, so I'd like to remind the concept of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As we discussed before when we were here in the mosque, there are like 99 beautiful names of Allah. So these are the adjectives of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that He doesn't have any physical shape or form, but how do we know Him? We know Him through His qualities. So I'd like to also share with you like some of them, the most important ones, like Ar-Rahman, which we also repeat when we read the first chapter of Quran. Allah, the one who is most merciful. So Ar-Rahman in this concept is not only for believers, is not only those who follow Him, but is also for all the universe. So doesn't matter whether you are a believer, doesn't matter whether you are not a believer, Allah shows His mercy. So His mercy encompasses all the universe. His mercy encompasses humanity, encompasses animals, encompasses all the creatures.